Hi, welcome to the DoD official mailroom of Chartertoconductor. Chartertoconductor, a purpose for the intelligent railroader. Today we have a air piping schematic for a special type truck bolster air supply, air cylinders, and a truck center bolster. And we're going to show you what that will look like. Alright, let's zoom it out. Basically pieces together out of different books and clippings. First of all, you have your truck with the brakes on the side right there, and then this is the axle. See, the axle goes on the side. There's an axle. There's an axle. This is the side with the breakage, the side frame. Moving on to the side frame, you have your glad hand, dirt collector, AB valve, main reservoir, auxiliary reservoir, center plate, and this is our brake cylinder. It's built in the frame, on the side of the frame, to the cylinder, the brakes right here. So we'll show you how that works in a second. And what we did today was I drew this real quick, and then I decided to make it as good as I can do it. So you have your gland hand, dirt collector, AB valve, main reservoir, auxiliary reservoir in each truck, dude. So there's two. These are in the center bolster, and then the axles would go here, and the brakes on the side. And these things push out. Well, these things contract in. One contracts in, one contracts out. The air comes in, the air goes out, the center bolster, and it's the top on the sides of the other ones. So what we did was we took a braking schematic. Like usually your passenger cars have only one brake cylinder and one auxiliary reservoir. They're mounted somewhere on the underframe. So we put it and we stuck it in the truck. And this is the brake system we're using. It has a pressure relief valve, dirt collector, gland hand, AB valve, main reservoir, auxiliary cylinder reservoir. Same thing on this one, but with dirt collector, gland hand going that way. And now we're going to show you how the brake cylinder contracts and opens. As it pushes it out, it runs on a gear. So that will be on the side bolster, worked from the main and equalizer reservoir. So we have things like the A2 quick servicing valve. Then we have your pressure retaining valve. Then we have your angle cock, hose connection, set out, cut out cock, branch pipe, and auxiliary reservoir variable release valve. And that's so we got air piping schematic of the overhead of two trucks, and the trucks have this is going to be a 2-axle truck tandem 4-axle system. You once again look at the main reservoir, that will be the brake cylinder. It's going to be in the middle of the truck. It's going to push out on the brakes like this. We could use our own brake rigging, different brake rigging, but that's the piping schematic for my air cylinders in the center bolster with the side bolster, side frame braking.